guys! Ito na naman po ang inyong Madam Budol para mag-unboxing ng in-order niyang alahas again from the shop of Maring Jane. So yan, yung kanyang waybill. Flash ang nag-deliver. So, first time kong makareceive ng parcel galing sa Flash. So, ang in-order ko sa kanya is palay ring since it is very trending na Lucky Charm also for this year. Then, kaya ako umorder sa kanya since yung price niya is reasonable. So, may pa-free pa ako nitong Evil Eye with Hamsa. Very appreciated. I like it a lot, so I will wear it daily use. So, may thank you letter na naman ako. And, naka-bubble wrap sealed siya. So, let's open. What's inside? As in, balot na balot, protected na protected ang parcel. Product. So, nakailang order na ako dito kay Maring Jane ng alahas. So, this was it. Pansit. So, ito yung palay ring ko na in order. So, ganda niya, 18K size 6. So, isusukat ko na siya. Well, very cute. Minimalist. I like it a lot. So, that was it. Cute. Ang ganda. Thank you, guys, for watching my unboxing.